Hello everybody, my name is Willy Bernhard. I'm from the Swiss Distance University of Applied Sciences located in Brieg, and I would like to welcome you to this video presentation of collaborative creativity with eCiC. The content of this presentation is first a short introduction into collaborative creativity, then the eCiC approach in general, and then the interaction method and its tools, application in education, and at the end, a short summary. Creative collaboration among students is an activity that plays an increasingly important role in education. Think about roundtable discussions, game-based learning, or project-based learning. The conditions for stimulating collaborative idea cultivation are based on some elements like diversity, which is the need to think different, sharing. They need simple ways to add and share pieces of information, connection. They must use the most suitable technology, purpose and payoff. Participants must have a shared sense of purpose and an individual sense of payoff. Structure. Communities need to have some elements of structure to make decisions. Our eCiC approach is a collaborative online process which allows to cultivate ideas from students by various interactive phases. They are defined by the interaction method, by the solution finder model, and the tool itself. Altogether, they constitute the eCiC system, which I will explain more into detail next. The eCiC interaction method is a guided process that allows the students to start and set up an idea, to process this idea with others, and to finalize and show the results. The idea processing uses the Stockalper model, which I will explain more into detail later. But it has three stages. It is the idea definition, is the idea generation, and the idea realization. Stockalper model of idea processing. This model was inspired by the castle of Stockalper located in Brieg. This is a very well-known building and has three towers. Each of the towers has either a moon, a star, or a sun on it. And this is how it works in our idea process. The first phase is the moon phase. It's the idea definition. You're looking for what do we want to achieve. You discuss it with other students in a forum, and then you come to the next phase. It's the star phase. It's the idea generation. You're looking for ideas who could solve the question of the moon phase. How can we reach the what of the moon phase? So we have a lot of ideas there, and then you have to select one, which I will explain more into detail how you do it. You select one and you go in the sun phase. It's the third phase of the realization of the idea. So you are looking for this idea, how you can realize it. And by what means can you implement the how of the star phase? The solution finder method. The solution finder method is used in the middle phase of the idea processing, in the star phase. Remember, you have lots of ideas. Now you have to select one in order to go to the next phase with this idea. If you discuss with students or other participants just your idea, you will never come to an end. So this solution finder method will help you to find the best fitting idea. How does it work? You have a triangle of needs, objectives, and solutions. So you must build this triangle. So pick up an idea and look at the needs and define the objectives. For the objectives, you're looking for the solutions. So your idea should provide this solution. And this solution should also fulfill the needs. If you can build this triangle, we will have a good and best fitting idea. So if you pick up an idea and want to apply the solution finder method, you don't know at the beginning if your idea is a need, an objective, or a solution. But this table will help you to select which one is which one. So needs are most of the times are problems or wishes or deficits. They are related to feelings and emotions and are on a functional level. An objective is always a measurable and definable value. It's on explanatory level and it is goal-oriented. And the solution often is at instrumental level, is an instrument or a method which will help you to fulfill the needs and the objectives. The eCiC online tool. You see here the platform we use for idea processing. It is based on Moodle, the well-known learning management system. It has only a 3-button design. So the first button, it's where you enter your idea. The second button is where you handle and process your idea with others. And the third button is the information about the results or about the phases of the idea. So you need only those 3 buttons. And if you click on a button, you will come into a forum where you can make discussion and have discussion with your other students or participants. Only the idea information uses a wiki where a facilitator will summarize the ideas and also the results. I would like to give you now just one example on how students used this eCiC system. Once there were students, they wanted to improve learning by elimination of learning barriers in school, like they realized that the teacher is possibly too fast or the slides are not readable or something like that. So they used this eCiC system and discussed and found a solution. The solution was to create a learning representative student who is collecting all those things from other students which they want to give as a feedback to the teacher. So they have a continuous feedback to the teacher. After one or a few lessons, this representative contacts the teacher and gives him a feedback. So no single students have to go to the teacher, just one student for the whole class. He is a representative for that. And by this way, the student can improve the learning by giving the feedback while they are doing the course. Normally, if you give a feedback in a course, you give it at the end of the course, but then you cannot profit of the results of the feedback. Now I will come to the end of my video presentation. I will give you a short summary about 3 points of eCiC. First, it provides a simple and guided process for collaborative idea sharing and cultivation in a classroom. Of course, you can also use it in companies. Second, it supports the idea selection by using the solution finder model. This helps you from the divergent thinking phase to the convergent thinking phase of idea analysis. And third, it uses the LMS tool Moodle with a 3-button approach, but you can use it on other platforms too, as long as you have forums and wiki implemented there. Thank you for your attention. Bye.